Imagine waking up and discovering that one of the most popular AI apps for teenagers just shut off open chat overnight. That is exactly what happened this week when Character.AI announced a major shift that affects every user under 18. And the reason behind it is bigger than most people think. Before we get into the story, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment so you never miss updates like this. So here is what actually happened. Character.AI just launched something called Stories. It is a guided, interactive fiction experience that lets kids create adventures with their favorite characters. But here is the catch. It replaces open-ended chat, which minors can no longer access at all. The phase-out began weeks ago, and as of Tuesday, every user under 18 is fully blocked from chatting with AI characters. Why the sudden shift? Pressure. Real pressure. Growing mental health concerns, lawsuits against companies like OpenAI and Character.AI, and the rise of AI companions that can message teens at any hour. Several families have accused AI chatbots of contributing to serious harm, including suicides. Regulators are stepping in too. California just became the first state to regulate AI companions, and a new national bill aims to ban AI companions for minors entirely. Character.AI decided to move first. The company says Stories gives teens a safer, more structured way to explore fiction. In their words, it is a guided experience instead of an always open chat that can send unprompted messages. And honestly, they are right. Teens on the Character.AI subreddit are conflicted, but even some of them say cutting off chat might help break unhealthy habits. One teen said they were mad about the ban, but also happy because it might finally end their addiction. Another said, it is disappointing but necessary because too many people their age get hooked. Here is the real insight. This moment is the start of the AI industry being forced to grow up. The AI companion market exploded without guardrails. Now, companies are being pushed to rethink how young users interact with always-on systems. Character.AI's CEO said it plainly. He hopes this sets a new standard across the industry. For minors, open-ended chat is not the product to offer. If you want more breakdowns like this, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. And watch the video in the corner for the next deep dive. Let's keep building smarter.